learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the term just kidding. 很轻松的一个话题，对不对？开玩笑的。
讲笑嘅。
讲笑嘅。其实开玩笑，有的时候开太多，当然会让人家生气。但是呢，爱开玩笑的人呢，你会不会很喜欢？
喜欢。
对 ，see, sometimes girls like a little, tease, or guys that are interesting, that are funny, that like to kid around a little bit, not too much.OK， 不能太多了，要不然就太吊儿郎当了那样子。对，好 ，All right. So for those who might find, someone who jokes around kind of interesting, we might say, oh, he's an interesting person. 他很有趣。How do you say 有趣？
有趣咪。
有趣咪，这讲起来都会有点微笑的感觉。有趣咪 ，OK, that's how you say interesting. Or Japanese 我记得叫面白い。OK， 对。All right, now.When we kid around, sometimes we're just telling jokes. 有时候开玩笑不是在人身攻击或怎么样，是真的在说一些笑话嘛。Okay, so how do you say jokes? 笑话。
笑口。
笑口常开的感觉呢。
笑口。
笑口。
那海陆腔小口。
怎么变小口了？
就笑起来。
海陆腔的这个客家人嘴巴比较小的。
真的吗？
小口。再讲一次。
小口。
小口。
笑口。
笑口. Okay, those are two different dialects for saying a joke. All right. Now, sometimes we tell jokes because we want to tease someone around. 有时候要公生气，要逗笑一下，对不对 ？Tease 逗笑。
弄本人笑。
哈哈，把它弄得很好笑，是不是？
弄给人家笑啊。
弄本人笑。
就是你要逗人家笑啊。
Exactly， 就是要 tease 这样子 ，right? Okay, let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 就干脆用逗笑来造个句好了。
真的吗？OK。He
really knows how to tease a lady.
激动 boy，
激动 boy，
弄什么也笑，
弄什么也笑，什么也就是女生嘛，对不对？ That means a girl. 笑就是笑 ，that means to smile, right?
激动 boy， 弄什么也笑，
激动 boy， 弄什么也笑，
你会吗？
我会啊。好 ，let's review these terms, all right? Someone who's interesting, 有趣。
有趣咪，
有趣咪 and then a joke 笑话，
笑口，
笑口 and then to tease someone 逗笑，
弄本人笑，
弄本人笑 and it's all about just kidding around 开玩笑的，
讲笑嘅，
讲笑嘅 and there you go. Now you know how to tell some jokes in Hakka maybe. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
按字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.